Welcome to Healthy Homes. In today's video, we will explore the importance of painting in a house and how it can transform your living environment into a healthy and vibrant sanctuary. At first, we have to cover the area with plastic sheets to avoid stains and dirt accumulation on the surface. Scraping. When it comes to preparing your walls for painting, one crucial step that should never be overlooked is scraping. Scraping the walls is the process of thoroughly cleaning the surfaces to remove dirt, dust, and any other contaminations. Why scraping is important? First, it enhances paint adhesion. Second, scraping makes walls smooth and even surface. Third, longevity of the paint job. Mixing putty. By combining putty powder and water, you create a smooth workable texture that can fill cracks and imperfections on the surface. Why putty is important? First, one of the primary purposes of putty is to fill and repair imperfections on the surface you plan to paint. Second, smoothing uneven surface. In addition to repair imperfections, putty helps in smoothing out uneven surfaces. Primer work. Have you ever wondered why applying a primer is necessary before painting? In this section, we will unveil the purpose of primer and its significance in the painting process. Primer acts as a preparatory coating that promotes better paint adhesion, blocks stains, and seals porous surface. Color. After applying the primer, it's time to move on to the main event, the application of the color paint. This is where your vision for the space truly comes to life. The main color paint, whether it's a soft pastel or a vibrant hue, transform the walls, ceilings and surfaces, adding personality and style to your environment. With colorful brush strokes or smooth roller application, Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.